Preparing for the big one disaster, earthquake, volcanic disaster, and World War III. For your GoVogue Essential Kate for traveling on our campaign in your mountain. So, maghanda na kayo kasi malapit na maganap ang the big one. Yung tinatawag na end times na God is coming because World War III is very trade war longer. Di ba alam naman natin na nangyayari talaga yan for the battle of the past. So ako naghahanda na rin ako. Nagsha-shopping na ako unti-unti ng aking essential go bag and emergency kit. So, for days, month, 15 days, 30 days, or 1 month before your recovery, for days and what prepared for damage for your city, satellite, network, mobile, or anything. Access for connection signal is very disappear. So, for the budget essential for individual, but high in your money at gumamit rin kayo ng mga waterproof electronics na nabubuhay siya sa tubig. Water for your damage is very important. Power bank, anything medicine, medical. So, medyo mahal yun kasi mga high-end products yun. At available naman siya ngayon sa mga online. So, because hindi naman tayo ready kung kailan tatama, tomorrow, ngayon, mamayang gabi, o what, itigil nyo na yung pag-iimbok ng mga kayamanan na pagpatay ng mga mansion, house, or whatever arrogant. Hindi nyo na madadala yan. Ang madadala nyo sarili nyo at yung Kate emergency o essential go bags. Kailangan mo yun para mabuhay ka. Yun. What if pride you living arrogant and what na you ignore na ini-scroll yung nangyayari ngayon, hindi na problema yun. Problema nyo na yan. Kaya ang kasapangan at katanganan at kabubuhan ng isang tao, yun ang nagpapahamak sa mundo. Follow for more to earthquake, disaster, world war, revolution, flooded, tsunamis, and volcanic active disaster going to climate change and the world. So ngayon may papasok na sa Philippine storm na naman. Kaya itong the big one earthquake sa Metro Manila magaganap ka all these provinces is tsunamis, flooding waters. Hindi lang Pilipinas ang mangyayari to, buong mundo around the world. Parang like coronavirus. Diba lahat is not ready. All people cry, sick others. Itong earthquake mas malala. Kasi ang bahay mo mawawasak, all disappear. Yung coronavirus, tao lang ang mawawala, pero ang bahay nila andyan, hindi naman nasira, di ba? Kasi virus yun, physical body. So different to disaster or destroy the physical body. So okay, follow yung mga website ngayon. Don't ignore it and stuff you're doing to really good. Mother understanding for your soul. Kami nga na mga spiritual, mga religious na mga may kapangyarihan naman or powers. Bakit kami naghahanda sa disaster? Kasi the physical not you're ready. So when it come in the Bible and God is out, speak out of the city and running and go to the mountain. But the disaster is calm. So yun. So yun yung policy mo, the emergency kit for medical in GoVogue. Yun yung protection. What are your politics life? Okay? Follow to my YouTube channel. Thank you.